preparation of accounting in just 20 minutes.
Really? Accounting is usually too hard.
Is it really possible to learn all that so quickly? I'm still confused about debit and credit.
Hey, are you talking about accounting? I watch two video. I read everything for journal entries, financial statement in bills.
Can you explain it to us, Mom?
Debit on the left, credit on the right. Oh, baby, keep in the balance, make a number of things. Account counter so sweet, rushing to the rhythm of the bell. Don't let the thought close it, dangdut in my heart, with every sweet. Debit on the left, credit on the right. Oh, baby, keep the balance, make a number of it. Account crossing, rushing to rhythm of the balance. Don't let to dance it, then look in my heart with everything.
Okay, let's start from the basic. Accounting is based on the fundamental equation asset equal liability plus equity.
That means if asset increase, we debit. If equity or liabilities increase, we credit.
But what about revenues and expenses?
Revenues work like equity, so it increase on credit side. Expense decrease equity, so they increase on the debit side.
So, for example, when we raise money from an investor, cash increases as debit and equity increases as credit.
Exactly. If you play salaries, debts, and expense, so debit salaries expense and the credit side. Salah aku cowok,
Yes.
anjir.
Gak apa-apa lah.
Tiap malam abang gak pulang-pulang. Tiap malam sukanya keluyuran. Tiap malam abang gak pulang-pulang. Tiap malam ku tidur sendirian.
jarang pulang, abang jarang pulang, tiap malam suka kelayapan. Jarang pulang, abang jarang pulang, jarang disayang-sayang. Jarang pulang, abang jarang pulang, tiap malam suka kelayapan. Jarang pulang, abang jarang pulang, aku jarang disayang-sayang.
Can you give an example so I can understand better?
Lesson: new business start with capital of $100,000. That means cash debit $100,000 and equity credit $100,000.
Then if they pay $3,000 for office rent expense in debit $3,000 and cash is credit $3,000, right?
Yes. If they buy a computer for $4,000, debit computer asset and credit cash.
So all transaction must balance debit and credit account.
Yes, to make sure an accounting rate are balanced and financial statements are accurate.
Okay.
Mungkin asik.
Yuk semuanya. Kok asam berat ya? Sakit rasanya putus cinta, sesaknya di dada, membuat kita jadi gegana, gelisah dalam merana. Mendingan kita happy aja, lupakan semua. Marilah kita goyang bersama, goyang rumah namanya. Ayo goyang rumah, biar hati senang, pikiran pun tenang, galau jadi hilang. Ayo goyang rumah, biar hati senang, semua masalah jadi hilang. Ayo goyang rumah, biar hati senang, pikiran pun tenang, galau jadi hilang. Ayo goyang rumah, biar hati senang, semua masalah jadi hilang.
Wow, accounting isn't as complicated as I thought.
That video is amazing for giving a full understanding from transaction to financial report.
I'm excited to try practicing this myself now.
Great, accounting become easy when you study the basic and keep practicing. Let's try together.
Cek dulu.
Verifikasi kunci aman, jangan baru terus satu keranjang. Beli saham dulu berlaut, biar untung tak cuma tahu rasa. Pasar saham ringan dan galau, tapi kita menjadi tentang berita dan gunung tak ada dompet. Makin tegak, jangan pergi, yuk janji manis. Pilih saham yang jelas prospek, lakukan di setiap hari supaya untung makin
improvement rate has been out from operating in 2019. In this year, cash rose from 11 to 12 million using accounting revenue when earning, not when cash arranged.
So balance sheet is snapshot, income show profit loss, cash flow is cash movement, perfect for investor taking genuine losses. Oh.
Yeah, it all balance. Hahaha.
Tunggu Q3 keluar, labanya tak jadi perjalanan. Jangan ikut yang manis, janji bisa bikin hati kecewa. Investor harus sabar, jangan terbawa rumor. Saham itu bukan cinta, perlu dipercaya. Pasar hanya masa, harus ingat angka jelas. Modal bisa cepat lenyap. Kalau pendamaian datang, harga minyak bisa turun, inflasi juga reda. Dompet kita makin gemuk, tunggu Q3 keluar, labanya tak jadi kenangan. Jangan ikut yang manis, bisa bikin hati kecewa. Investor harus sabar, jangan terbawa rumor. Saham itu bukan cinta, perlu untuk percaya. Pasar bukan hanya masa, harus lihat angka jelas. Kau hanya omong kosong, tidak bisa cepat menyayat. Kalau perdamaian datang, harga minyak bisa turun, inflasi juga ada.